I'm going to start the recording.
Okay, first I'm going to pull Ubuntu from
I think that you have
Docker
given a
registry.
wrong command.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, Docker pull to.
Yep.
Okay, Docker images. Let's see, we got it.
Clear now?
Clear. Okay, now Docker run. I'm going to run the container from the image we just downloaded. Container, and to give the name for the container, and you know what, let's put the food name. It worked out last time.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Great. Ubuntu image.
Yeah.
Okay, we're in the container.
Now update that image.
Yeah. apt-get update.
Clear the screen.
Yeah.
Now you have to install two packages. One is a wget, one is a RPM. Okay.
Yeah.
So install both.
apt-get install wget.
Clear the screen.
Yeah.
Now install RPM.
Why?
So hold on. Your region is, I believe,
America number 2.
2. Yeah.
2. Now we select the city or region, currency or time zone.
Yeah. So your time.
There's more, right? Let's enter and find more. And North Dakota. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna put the North Dakota center time 110.
Yeah, perfect. So installed. Clear the screen. Now we have to download the package. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run this command to download the package.
Enter. Now we have to. Yeah. We have to now
RPM.
pack it by using the RPM command, because currently it's a RPM package. Okay.
Is it like tar?
Yeah, it's like a tar. Exactly.
It's like a tar in the.
Yes. It's a RPM package now. So we have to unzip it first, and then we have to install. So.
Okay, we installed that already. This command.
Cool. So it's all done now. Yeah. So then now it's time for us to
update the repository. Get away.
Okay, so clear the screen. Everything is done now, but all perfect. So now install the that MySQL server. Version it is going to install for me is a 7.5. Okay.
Okay. MySQL server way.
I think we are about to finish that one.
Okay, stat file. MySQL is running as PID 3641. Okay, good. Okay, let's check service.
We have to first clear the screen because it's clumsy now. So Yeah. Now you have to first check the status of the service.
Status.
It's
Okay.
stopped. So now you have to start.
Start.
Yeah.
Okay,
Now
started. Let's check again. Okay, up and running.
Everything is done now. Okay. So now you have to know. Hold on. You have to know the password. You have to clear the screen first,
Okay.
and you have to set the password.
Yeah. Let's create a password.
Cool. Yeah. So the password is changed. Now it's time for go and say MySQL -p. Give the password. Admin. You are inside now. So let's first check the database. So database.
So databases.
Semicolon. Yeah.
Okay.
Now let's create a new database. So create database
Database.
HRDB.
RDB.
Yeah. Semicolon. So again, click show databases.
Yes. Okay.
Good. You can probably can you try clear command? I'm not sure if it works.
No.
It's not. Okay, no worries.
Let's do this. No,
Okay, no worries. So then let's create a new database. So you already have a database created. Go use HRDB and semicolon.
HRDB. Run.
Now when you paste, you
HRDB.
want it, yeah. So maybe create
Table.
data.
It's data.
Yeah, just good. And just semi. Yeah, you have to open it. Yeah, open a bracket and give a e name.
Okay.
Or EID.
EID.
Yeah, and it's integer. So, yeah, and comma.
Okay, we don't need to do
And
that.
then e name. Varchar. Then maybe age. Integer. And then maybe semicolon.
Cell integer.
Okay. What is that? Salary. Okay, good. Fantastic. Enter. So just say describe table. Describe HR data.
Table HR data. Oh, sorry.
Semicolon. Yeah.
Simple HR data. Oh, it just describe only table with
Say describe HR data. You put the word table.
data.
Semicolon. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Now you have to insert the data. Say insert into.
Insert into, put the name of table. Data.
And then open the bracket. Value. You have to say the values also.
Yeah.
After HR data,
just put the parameter as we do in.
No, after
Java
HR data,
also.
values.
Okay.
And now open. Now you have to put. So all the integer will without a code. So
EID
101.
01.
Yeah.
Comma.
A single
name. Comma. And age also integer 22.
Yeah.
Comma. Salary 45. And
semicolon. One more. So make it 102.
2.
Good.
Realize this time, 43.
Yeah. Cool. Perfect. Now we can run the command select as start from. Sure.
Yeah.
Cool, Ravi.
Yeah.
Good. Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So we have done that. Now, can you email that command which you have connected, which you have selected to me?
Which command?
History? Just to have. No, I don't think that history will work inside the SQL. You have to copy the command manually, maybe. Okay.